Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your operating system and installing the minimal tools you need. For Windows, use Microsoft PowerToys or a registry-based mapper. For Mac OS, get a key remapper like Carabiner Elements. For Linux, prepare SexMap or Xmodmap. Once done, back up existing layouts or export the registry so you can restore quickly. Make sure to run the tool with admin privileges when required, because remapping keys needs system-level access to change how the hardware input is interpreted. Now create the actual mapping rules that convert number keys to letters. You can pick a simple sequential pattern like 1 to A, 2 to B, or define custom pairs in the tool's JSON or XML file. On Linux, write Xmodmap commands. Once you've entered mappings, apply them and open a plain text editor to type and verify each key. If the UI provides a preview or simulator, use it. Make sure to save the configuration so it persists across reboots or to set a startup script. Finish by ensuring your mapping loads automatically at sign-in. Enable the tool's startup option, place the script in your OS startup folder, or create a system service. Once active, test combinations with Shift, Alt, and Control because modifiers change output. This explains many failures. If something breaks, revert using the backup you made or disable the mapper temporarily. Finally, adjust timing or repeat rate settings if repeated keys register incorrectly, and document your final map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.